Guys, I'm gonna show you that I already built the Zoom figure, and I'm just putting this symbol. Oh, they fell out. Everybody will fell out. Go here. Where is Nehemiah? There we go. Find it. Good. Now let's make the speaker first. Can see it? It's one speaker and one speaker. The one is already get lost, so that's just okay. So let's make the speaker. Tux, 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 tux. Yes, I just smell them. Good. I have 3 only colors because I only lost other color. Yes. That is very cool. So wait me guys. Hello. Cause lombak, day to day, he never shag you, boys like me. You should know her. She's someone that she is and my classmates are very, very loving, and they said that she's so confused. I think so. So I already watched his video, and if you wanna see his channel, see she makes that she sings. Okay, you see it. It's hard to put it that. So. There you go. Only hard to put it. The last parts. And then we go. Okay. This is the finish. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And this is Francesca on to Angels Girls. Bye. Toodles.